In a world spinning with chaos and relentless speed, finding a moment to be present can feel like a luxury. But fear not, because life doesn't have to be a constant whirlwind. It's time to hit the brakes, kick stress to the curb, and indulge in the sweet simplicity of life's small pleasures. Get ready to transform your life with practical tips that breathe peace into every day. This isn't just a guide, it's an invitation to reclaim your calm and rediscover joy and simplicity. Let's dive into the steps and embark on a journey of serenity. Adjusting your schedule can be a necessary step to better align your time with your priorities and goals. Here are some steps you can take to effectively adjust your schedule. Number 1. Slow down. In life's constant rush, let's pause and embrace two words: slow down. This isn't just a suggestion, but a mindset to carry beyond these words. Break free from the multitasking myth. Find your sweet spot for quality work and a sense of accomplishment. Amidst chaos, the art of doing nothing becomes vital. A deliberate pause, even for 5 minutes, to reset, recharge, and appreciate the beauty in stillness. Join the journey to reclaim your pace, prioritize quality, and savor purposeful pauses. Ready to slow down? The choice is yours. Number 2, reduce your commitments. In the pursuit of a more serene life, consider a powerful strategy: reduce your commitments. Honor your existing obligations, completing tasks or events, but moving forward, embrace the art of taking on fewer commitments. The initial struggle is natural. Redirect your focus towards simplifying your life, fostering greater internal peace. Let your end goal be your motivation, drowning out any lingering feelings of guilt. It's time to prioritize your well-being by decluttering your commitments and welcoming a more peaceful existence. Number 3, eliminate extras. Ever find yourself caught in the web of conspicuous consumption or excessive spending? Conspicuous consumption flaunts lavishness to showcase social prestige, while excessive consumption involves using more than necessary. Ready to break free? Simplifying your life is the key. Embrace a lifestyle shift that cuts into unnecessary extras, reducing financial ties and liberating you from excessive expenses. The goal? Achieve financial freedom by prioritizing what truly matters and shedding the burden of meatless financial obligations. It's time to simplify and liberate your life from the chains of conspicuous and excessive consumption. Number 4, declutter your living area. In the tapestry of life, we often craft our world with countless possessions. To simplify, take a moment to survey your surroundings and embark on an organization journey. A well-organized home is a healthy home. Start by decluttering, parting ways with surplus items that no longer serve a purpose. This process not only tidies your physical space, but also declutters your emotions and thoughts. As your external world becomes free of excess, so too will your internal world gain clarity. It's time to simplify your surroundings and pave the way to a more organized and peaceful existence. Reprioritizing your life involves evaluating your current priorities, identifying what truly matters to you, and making intentional choices to align your actions with your values and goals. Here are some steps to help you in the process. Number 1, identify your values. Consider the pillars that shape who you are, the values that influence your actions and decisions. These values serve as a guiding force, shaping the essence of your character. Number 2, align your activities with your values. Engage in activities that resonate with your values and align with your quest for a simpler life. Your feelings will be the compass. Satisfaction and contentment signal harmony with your values. Embrace the power of intentional choices, ensuring your actions echo the values that guide you towards a life of fulfillment and simplicity. Number 3, formulate a plan and commit to it. Embarking on the path to a simpler, more peaceful life. A problem-solving model provides the structure for transformative change. First, crystallize your objectives. Then, implement them with purpose. Remain adaptable, ready to make adjustments as needed. Finally, vigilantly monitor your progress. This systematic approach ensures that your journey is not just a desire, but a deliberate and successful pursuit of simplicity and peace. Number 4, practice living in the present moment. Unlock the power of the present moment. Refrain from dwelling excessively on the past or fretting about the future. A cluttered mind breeds discontent. Simplify your thoughts by fostering mindfulness. Quiet your mind and concentrate on the task at hand. The journey to a simpler, more peaceful life begins with being fully present in each moment. Changing your world involves making intentional and positive changes in various aspects of your life. Whether you're looking to improve your personal well-being, relationships, career, or contribute to broader positive change, here are some general strategies you can consider. Number 1. Move your residence. Consider the impact of high-density living on your stress levels. A change of scenery to a serene and peaceful location can amplify your quest for a simpler life. Your home, your sanctuary, make it a retreat from the hustle. Explore the transformative power of a calm environment to enhance your journey towards a life of simplicity and peace. Number 2. Change careers. Dread heading to a job you dislike. If efforts to make it enjoyable fall short, it might be time for a change in jobs or careers. Spending 80 hours a week on draining sales quotas. Consider redirecting towards a simpler, more fulfilling life. Your well-being deserves a career that aligns with your values and brings you peace. It's time to escape the grind and embrace a path that resonates with simplicity and satisfaction. Number 3. Be responsible for your own happiness. Unlock the truth that happiness is an inside job and you hold the key. Take charge of your joy by engaging in activities that build a reservoir of positive feelings. When faced with challenges, a foundation of good vibes makes the journey smoother. Remember, a happier you has the transformative ability to enhance any situation and relationship. It's time to craft your happiness from within. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey of embracing serenity and discovering the art of a simple and peaceful life. We hope you found inspiration and practical tips to bring tranquility into your daily routine. Remember, life's beauty often lies in the simplicity of moments and the joy found in the present.